Something's going on base that PMO can't cover, staff will be called. On-scene commanders will need to establish a perimeter around the suspected area. If you are... Staff is the Security Augmentation Force. They're here to stand the gates in case of emergencies, for events. Once you're not the scene commander, it's a week-long course, and then one day on the shotgun range. The boat gets there once the... Let's just say they learn just like the basics of law enforcement. So they'll learn the use of force, and then they'll get tested out on the use of force. They'll learn defensive tactics, and they'll learn the OC.
All right, so what's gonna happen?
They'll do prac app, they'll do vehicle searches, they'll do personnel searches, and then on the Friday, they'll go through the OC course. So we spray the Marines, and then we put them in situations that they might be put into if they were to get sprayed. So one of the stations, it's weapons retention. So they grab the shotgun, you know, they see slash, get the person on the ground and put them in a position to where they can handcuff them.
Drop shotgun.
Doing punches, elbow strikes, palm heel strikes. Next section will be baton strikes, baton blocks. And they're OC spraying somebody, and then they'll apply flexi cuffs onto the individual, and then that's a course.
It feels like somebody just poured hot sauce all on your face and just rubbed it in, like, with no remorse at all. Now it's all over, I feel great, I feel fantastic. In the moment, it really sucked, but now I feel like I got through that, I accomplished something. If somebody were to come towards me and rather, like, if I should have sprayed them or not, because it kind of sucks.
Here, they actually put what we taught them to the test.
You hit the button, the boat goes home.
So we gave them a class on the shotgun range, a little prac app with the shotgun, basically disassessing the shotgun, going through the loading procedures, the conditions of the shotgun.
Thank you.
Make sure you're getting comfortable with the combat load. It's not to just get them off, okay?
Shooters, your next drill will be good.
So here they'll shoot from the kneeling, they'll shoot from the standing, they'll do combat loads, they'll do patrol loads, and they have to be proficient with the shotgun in order to carry it. I feel like every Marine should probably go through a course like this. You know, it's just a little basics of the law enforcement, because it also helps out outside of any kind of law enforcement. It teaches you how to talk to people, because we go over interpersonal communication skills. I mean, you get to fire a new weapon that you wouldn't otherwise get to fire, and you also get to get OC'd in the face.